Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is super important, especially if you haven't received the Dogs update yet, or the Dogs drop game, or if you're still unable to collect Dogs tokens in the regular drop game. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the new update, what you need to do, and when to expect it to roll out. So make sure you watch the whole video from start to finish. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Now, let's jump into today's video. First off, head over to the Telegram community for Blum. In the latest announcement, they mentioned that the Dogs in the Drop game, or the Dogs drop game, will officially end on Friday. That means the first 100,000 people chosen by the bot have already completed their drop game. If you didn't make it in time, don't worry. There's another drop game coming soon. The bot confirmed this and stressed the importance of staying active in the game to boost your chances. Starting next Monday, there's going to be another batch of players added to the drop game. But there are a few conditions you need to meet to qualify. Here's what you need to know. Active wallet. You must have an active wallet linked to your account with at least one transaction. It doesn't matter if it's a deposit or a withdrawal. Just make sure you've made at least one transaction using the wallet you've connected. For example, if you've previously paid bot fees through your wallet, that counts. Even if someone sent you a small amount of ton, it's good enough as long as it shows activity. Snapshot deadline. The snapshot for eligibility will be taken on Monday, October 21st, so you need to have everything ready before then. Complete all necessary tasks and make sure your wallet is connected and active. They also mentioned more details will be shared soon, so stay tuned. Once you've linked your wallet, make sure it's a ton-compatible wallet like TonKeeper or TonHub, and ensure you've completed at least one deposit or withdrawal. Now that you've met the first condition, let's move on to the next one. Complete your tasks. Head to the Earn section in the app and finish all the tasks there. It won't take you more than 30 minutes. You can find all the video codes in my Telegram channel. There's one specific task called Open League, or something similar. I can't remember the exact name. But it involves spending a small amount of ton, like 0.1 or 0.01 ton. It's a small task, but it's important to complete it. Also, between now and when the snapshot is taken, make sure you're playing the drop game at least 3 to 4 times a week. Even if you're short on cards, play a minimum of 1 or 2 games daily. The more active you are, the better your chances of getting selected in the drop game. So, to recap the 3 key steps. Link an active wallet with at least one transaction. Complete all your tasks, especially the Open League one. Stay active in the drop game until the snapshot. If you follow these steps, you'll have a solid chance of being included in the next update. And don't forget the referral part. They said it's not mandatory, but you should aim for at least 5 referrals. It's not required to have more than 5, but it doesn't hurt if you do. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to join the Telegram group to get the daily code and stay updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.